Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, I will teach you how to create Facebook ad posts in Canva, similar to how to create engaging ads for social media in Canva through our last video. So now, what's the difference of engaging ads to Facebook ads? Of course, fake Facebook ads are suited for Facebook itself since it's a social media platform. Canva easily minimizes the format and presses it into a better quality that suits Facebook more better than any other platform. So now we're gonna press on create, or we can just find the right document here. But for social media, so here we have Facebook, or we have bios here. But the best thing you could do is you go to templates and search for Facebook ads. As you can see here, we have a lot of templates for Facebook ads, but let's say that you have a villa, or you have a Airbnb business. Now here you can see that you have a well-made template, but you can also edit this one. If you're not satisfied with the color, you can easily change the color as well to any color you want. So dark brown, I want to change it to dark brown, so I can change it to darker. This one I also want to change it to a different color. You can do that as well. And let's say that you can edit these images. You just go to elements and maybe search for a, say, a resort that you have. So you can just press this and drag, or sorry, can just press this and drag it right into the background. And maybe since we are in the Philippines, we change this to peso. There we go. And you can change this one to the whatever brand or whatever name of your Airbnb is. Let's say um, Lux Villas. Change the information. You can change the images here. Say you have another business like a hotel. You can also put it here. There we go. So that's how you make a wonderful um, Facebook ad post, and afterwards you can just click on share, download the PNG for a better format. If it's a video, then MB for a video, then post it directly to your Facebook page. So that's how easy it is to make Facebook ads with Canva. Once again, thank you for watching this video. I hope to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks to come. Thank you for watching.